Students. So in this presentation today, we'll be discussing your fourth and last topic of Unit 4, which is timing of trap formation and time of hydrocarbon accumulation. So in this presentation, we'll discuss the time of formation of hydrocarbon accumulations. I mean, the relationship between the time of trap formation and hydrocarbon accumulation. So, so what we will say about the timing of formation of hydrocarbon accumulation and its relationship with the trap formation is that the good timing is for the reservoir trap and seal to be already in place before the formation or before the source rock generates the hydrocarbon or the process of migration starts. So what we will call as we must have the reservoir trap and seal. I mean, all the important components of petroleum system already in place before there is a generation of hydrocarbon or even accumulation or even migration of hydrocarbons. So there are some set of methods, which actually, help scientists to know about the timing of hydrocarbon accumulation, but you don't, that's out of the scope of your present, topic or present study. So, but still, there are, the valid points. I mean, the 2 points which are crucial really in timing is that the accumulation of hydrocarbon, it should not happen to the uh, uh, prior to the rocks in which the accumulation is located. Okay, it cannot happen before the formation of that rock or before the formation of that trap. And the accumulation can only happen after the formation of a trap. It's evident. Since you don't have a container, you can't cook a dish. You can only cook a dish if you have a container and all the ingredients present. As simple as that. So this is what basically the time of formation of hydrocarbons and the accumulation or the time of formation of trap. It's so uh, the formation of a stratigraphic trap is it's determined by the age of overlying sediments, the sediments on top of it. And similarly, in a fault trap, the time of formation of a fault trap is again demarcated or bracketed by the time of fault formation when the fault happened. If the hydrocarbon has accumulated earlier to that, so we won't find any hydrocarbon accumulation in that specific set of trap. So if we have already a trap formed there and then the hydrocarbon accumulates or it's migrating and it comes and it's stored in that specific set of trap. So the point is that we can't have a formation of or accumulation of hydrocarbons before the formation of a trap. So accumulation is usually formed as a result of migration of hydrocarbons. It's not every time that source rock will be present there. Maybe the source rock is present somewhere else and the migration of oil happens. It's the oil will migrate once it's been formed because it has low density. It will look for the space. It will look for that container to be stored in. So this happens because of the buoyancy or the buoyant force. So if there is a tilt somewhere in the buoyant force will be stronger if there is a tilt in source rock or in the formations of the sedimentary rock layers. This is it. There is nothing, much more complex in understanding it. So the time of hydrocarbon accumulation and the time of trap, there is just 1 point to consider, which I have already explained it to you. And thanks.